Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So this is a new feature on Messenger, and once you have updated your account or your Messenger application, then you will have this feature automatically. Now, in case that you don't like this feature, what you're going to do is to open your Messenger application, tap this three lines at the top left corner, and then click this gear icon. Now what you're going to do here is to scroll down till you see this privacy and safety. Okay. So you have to scroll down and look for that. So click this privacy and safety here. Then you will see this end-to-end encrypted chats. Now you can turn off the alerts and notification, but unfortunately, you cannot remove this one. Like what I've mentioned earlier, once you have updated your Messenger application, then you will automatically get this feature. Now, if you don't like this feature and if you want to get rid of this, what you're going to do is to simply uninstall your Messenger. And then this time you have to go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser. And then the very best thing to do here is to download the old version of Messenger because in the old version you cannot see this end-to-end encryption. Okay, so go to any web browser and then type download old version of Messenger or Messenger old version. And then what you're going to do next is to simply click at the very first link that you can see, download any old version. So once you have downloaded it, install, open, and then you will see that the end-to-end encryption is not yet installed or this feature is not yet uh, available in the old version. So that's it. And I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.